NASA's New Horizons found Sugar World, the farthest object with methanol and glucose. Light travels from the moon to Earth in 1.3 seconds, but walking would take over 9 years. Mars is called the red planet due to its red color from the abundant iron oxide or rust on its surface. Ice giants Uranus and Neptune may have switched spots. The first interstellar object discovered cigar-shaped shooting stars blaze a range of colors based on the elements they are made of. Comets totaling 5,200 tons annually, it can land in your hair outdoors. Some stars are so cool so you could touch them without scalding your head. Precious metals like silver and gold are forged when dead stars collide. The pillars of creation are a part of the Eagle Nebula where stars are forming. There are lakes of liquid methane on Saturn's moon Titan. The Oort cloud is a distant region of our solar system filled with icy bodies. Solar flares are bursts of energy from the sun that can affect Earth. Some stars are so far away that their light takes millions of years to reach us. The Crab Nebula is the remnant of the supernova explosion. Space travel can cause muscle and bone loss in astronauts. Some asteroids have their own moons. There are exoplanets located in the habitable zone of the stars where life could exist. Comets are icy bodies that release gas and dust as they approach the sun. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 5.88 trillion miles. The first man in space was Yuri Gagarin in 1961. The North Star Polaris is not the brightest star in the sky. The largest star, Uva Scuti, is over 1,700 times the radius of the Sun. The surface of Mars have canyons, volcanoes, and ancient river beds. Space telescopes like Hubble allow us to see deep into the space. The universe is mostly made up of dark matter and dark energy. The space between stars is called interstellar space. A massive space cloud contains 140 trillion times more water vapor than all Earth's oceans. Some exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, have 2 suns. Space probes like Voyager 1 have traveled beyond our solar system. The coldest place in the universe is the Warm Ring Nebula at -458°F. One day on Neptune lasts 16 hours. The Earth's shape is an oblate spheroid, meaning it's slightly squished at the poles. The term astronaut comes from Greek words meaning star and sailor. Mars have 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. The Kuiper Belt is a region of the solar system beyond Neptune that contains many small icy bodies. There is a supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets in our solar system. The Sun's core is about 27 million degree Fahrenheit, 15 million degrees Celsius. Stars are born in vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is approximately 10 lakh light years in diameter. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rocky materials. The Moon has quakes called moonquakes, which are caused by the gravitational pull of Earth. The largest asteroid in the asteroid belt is Ceres, which is also classified as a dwarf planet. The nearest star to Earth other than the Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is 4.24 light years away. The Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest spiral galaxy, is said to collide with the Milky Way. The speed of light is about 1,86,282 miles per second, 2,99,792 kilometers per second. Black holes are regions in the space with such strong gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape. There are over 200 moons in our solar system. Astronaut footprints on the moon will last for millions of years due to absence of wind and water. A total solar eclipse happens when the moon completely covers the sun. Saturn's rings are made of ice, dust, and rock. The International Space Station orbits Earth every 90 minutes. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. Space is not completely empty, it contains tiny particles like electromagnetic waves. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. A day on Venus is longer than the year on Venus. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. A sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system called Olympus Mons. The moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters per year. The Milky Way galaxy is home to over 200 billion stars. Space is completely silent because there is no air to carry sound. Venus is the hottest planet with surface temperature around 900 degree Fahrenheit, 475 degree Celsius. 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun.